Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only, so please do your own due diligence as I am not a financial advisor. So for those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. So through this channel I will try to bring you some stock analysis as well as a short 5-minute trading lesson at the end, so please stay tuned. So a quick recap on the previous video, we looked at ticker symbol ZOM, so please refer back to that previous video. This is a stock that I'm very bullish on, so please set your target strike prices around $2.40 and refer back to the previous video for that, and hopefully there should be some gains towards $3. So today I'm going to look at 3 lithium stocks. I'm very bullish on lithium stocks. I'm going to explain the reasons for that shortly. I'm going to start first by looking at one that I have carried out a detailed analysis on, and that is ticker symbol ABEPF. So let's have a look at that one first. Okay, ticker symbol ABEPF, Vision Lithium. I did invest in this stock initially at an entry price of 0.26 cents. At one point it reached just over 64 cents, so that represented a return from my initial investment of well over 150%. It has had a fall and it came down to 46 cents, and I decided to increase my investment in this again at a new strike price of 47 cents. So I think this represents still an excellent buying opportunity considering the news that we looked at in the previous video regarding the 99.99% lithium. So let's just have a quick recap of that news. So the announcement was that they had announced 99.99% lithium carbonate battery purity. What does this mean? So before we have a look at what this means, one date I'd like to add into your diary for this stock is the 19th of February. This is a date for earnings for this stock. However, no earnings are expected, but this could be a good date to put in our calendar to see an update in terms of plans for the company. So it could be very interesting, could be a good catalyst for the share price going forward. So let's try to look at the importance of this 99.99% lithium carbonate battery purity. So I'll refer you to a discussion here on Yahoo Finance. So shout out to Howard and Ben. So let's have a look at how this was explained in quite simple terms, which I do agree with. Okay, can someone explain to an idiot like me the significance of 99.99% lithium carbonate battery purity compared to the 99.5% average in 2017? I understand our product is superior for sure. However, I'm not sure how significant difference is in product. Can someone enlighten me? So Ben has kindly responded here. Higher purity means less waste, more supply relative to other companies, and ticker symbol ABEPF can meet increasing demands, and that is basically a gold mine in lithium tech. Fully agree with that comment. And what I'd also like to inform you is about the current change in price of lithium. So let's have a look at that. So using trading economics, we can see that the price of lithium rose by 45.16% monthly, and this represented a 3.05% weekly rise as well. So this is the biggest growth from all commodities. So very significant going forward for all our lithium stocks. And in terms of the future, especially with the growth in the EV market, lithium is something I'm very bullish about. So we're going to have a look at 2 more stocks for lithium that I'm going to bring you today. So let's continue with this. So if we have a look at the chart here for Vision Lithium, ticker symbol ABEPF, this is a 3-month chart. We can see that the stock rise kind of started happening around about the 3rd, 4th and 5th of February. At one point just going in excess of 60 cents. And we can see there on the 12th there was a fall, so this represents an excellent buying opportunity. It was down in excess of 24%, closing at 46 cents. So please put this on your watch list if you have not already invested. If you have invested, hopefully you took advantage of this as a buying opportunity. So going forward, still a penny stock, very volatile, as we've just seen what's happened here. So very important to use your stop losses. So I think a strike price going forward on here, anything below 40 cents would be another good entry for this going forward, but be prepared to cash out profits as it also rises up in price. So let's move on to our next lithium stock. So the next stock is Lithium Chile, ticker symbol LTMCF. So this is a stock that is brand new to Trading 212. It just launched on the 11th of February. So it is a penny stock. And I did make an investment on this. So my entry price is 0.74 cents. And it closed down on Friday at 0.66 cents. So this is a stock that has not really much history. It's going to be very volatile. Going forward, it's going to be high risk. So let's have a look at the website here. So Lithium Chile. So the Lithium Chile owns 14 projects, making it the largest landholder of lithium outside of the Chilean government. So very, very positive in terms of assets. The top priority projects have high-grade lithium, and they have positive chemistry results resulting from the sampling, as well as community approval to drill. So going forward, positive again. And Lithium Chile boasts a very strong management team with proven leadership, and the lithium ion battery sector continues to grow, as we can see certainly from the EV market. So let's look further on this website here. So this is about Lithium Chile. So again, just a reminder here, it's the largest landholder of lithium projects outside of the Chilean government. They own 17 projects, and this covers land in excess of 166,000 hectares, mostly on lithium-rich land. And the projects include high-grade lithium brines with excellent chemistry and shallow depths, all which have good access to infrastructure. The company has a proven management team and experienced technical team. So certainly looking very, very positive here. Going forward, I think this is a stock which will be very volatile. It's going to be a penny stock as we've seen, and certainly the potential going forward, especially with the EV sector, it could be probably, I would say, a 10x stock over the next 2 to 3 years. So let's finish off now by looking at some press releases. First one here is February the 3rd. Lithium Chile announces a TEM geophysical program on its Los Moras property and an update on subscriptions for its recently announced private placement. February the 2nd, Lithium Chile announces a proposed $3.5 million private placement. And January 26th, Lithium Chile reports gold grade assay to date on its Carmona gold, silver, copper property. So lots and lots of good positive headlines here. Let's have a look at a strike price. So if you are trading on Trading 212, you may not be aware of this stock. It is new, so just if you are on the invest account, you should be able to find it there. It probably will not be available on the ISA account. At the moment, it closed down 6.6%. So I think this represents a good opportunity to enter. So any price right now, once trading starts on Tuesday, below 60 cents would be a good entry point for Lithium Chile. So again, it's a penny stock, could be very volatile. Be prepared to cash in your profits as it goes up, and also use a stop loss for protection. But going forward, this could certainly be a very, very high growth stock. So the next stock I'd like to look at now is Frontier Lithium. So this is another lithium stock, ticker symbol LITOF. Again, this is quite new to Trading 212, so a lot of you may not know. This was initially launched on the 9th of February. So if anybody is not aware of this, please put this on your watch list. You'll find this in the invest account of Trading 212. I made an entry onto ticker symbol LITOF at 82 cents. It closed at 81 cents. And this was on Friday close of play, in excess of 14% up. So going forward, again, this is a penny stock. Let's have a look at Frontier Lithium. So why did I choose to invest in Frontier Lithium? So what we're going to do is now, again, similar, let's have a look at the company website. So we can see here they have a corporate presentation. So let's start with that. So Frontier Lithium is an emerging lithium mineral and chemicals company. North America's highest quality. They have 4 discoveries. They have 2 depots. They have Ontario's largest spodumene resource exploration upside. They are in a growing market. They're located in Great Lakes. They're successful in lithium chemical test work, and they also have the right team, 30% ownership, strong technical partners, and formidable mining and finance background. So let's see what else they have in terms of their corporate presentation. So we can see here in terms of the lithium market, the convergence of 3 multi-trillion-dollar industries. We have transport, we have energy, and we have portable technology. So these are all growing markets, and we can see the projection there in the bar chart. The lithium chemistry supply and demand to 2028. Sorry, the lithium chemical supply and demand to 2028. We can see the growth is quite exponential there. And then moving on, lithium market trends. So what are the market trends? We have the supply deficit. So this means there is not enough availability to meet with demand. Then we have the EV, which is a global trend. So not only in America, it's also going to be in Europe. And as we know with NIO, XPeng and Li, we know the EV trend is also going to be continuing on a huge scale in China as well. So once this happens, it will become worldwide. And we're talking about big economies such as India and Australia, Canada. So this worldwide, this is certainly the future. So that's why I'm very bullish on lithium, and these 3 lithium stocks that I'm looking at today. I see lots and lots of upside on them. So let's see what else we know about Frontier Lithium. So let's finish off on their corporate presentation. So this is the slide why they are trying to say, as investors, why Frontier belongs in your portfolio. So 3 headlines here. First of all, it's a great asset. So it's North America's highest grade, large tonnage hard rock lithium resource in the form of a rare low iron spodumene in development stage with 2 deposits and a significant exploration upside in the Great Lakes region. They also say here they have the right management team, management and directors with approximately 30% ownership and decades of experience. They also have a strategic technology partnership with XPS, which is a company developing lithium chemicals in the production process. They're obviously finishing off here by talking about the growing EV market, which we've looked at, and there is going to be a huge lithium demand, and this will certainly grow 10x. I think it will probably grow more than 10x, and obviously we now have the post-COVID stimulus coming into effect, and this should also be a good catalyst for this going forward. So now let's have a look at some news articles. Okay, let's have a look at this news article then. So this was dated February the 12th. So the headline here is Frontier Lithium announces a positive preliminary feasibility study for the PAC Lithium project, northwestern Ontario. So basically the company is pleased to release the results of their feasibility study, and this was approximately 175 kilometres north of the Red Lake in Ontario. So in terms of going forward and their access to lithium, this is positive news. I do expect significant growth in this stock. And in terms of an entry point for Frontier Lithium, ticker symbol LITOF, did close up at 14%. It's a penny stock still, so it's still going to be quite volatile. In terms of entry point for Tuesday, I would say it did. The highest point was at the moment on trading 212. As I said, it's not been on long, so the highest point that we can see from here is 94 cents and in the week, and it also went down as low as 70 cents in the week, so closing at 81 cents. So I think certainly keep this on your watch list. look for a good entry point. So a good entry point for this would be anything below 70 cents. So if you see this at below 70 cents, certainly consider an entry point on ticker symbol LITOF. And once you have any upside, please be prepared to take profits and also use your stop loss again on this stock, as it will be volatile. But going forward, long term, it's a stock that I will certainly keep some investment in here because I do see some substantial gains. Okay, due to an extended analysis here of the 3 lithium stocks, the next trading lesson will be in the next video, so please stay tuned and thank you very much for watching.